Hello everyone, friends on the channel. Today I'll show you how to protect or enhance your ByBit account security. Okay? For this, we need to log into your ByBit account. It doesn't matter which device you're using. Go to Account and then Protection. Here you need to connect all 4 two-factor authentication methods, like I have: email address, phone number, and Google Authenticator. There. And here it's best to also set up a password code, transaction protection requiring confirmation for each transaction, deposit password, and anti-bot verification. Anti-bot, right? You can also add whitelists here. See, this is when you won't need to enter a password for certain addresses. By following all these steps, you'll improve your account security.